Introducing Nanny Goat and ESCA Pinot Noir. Very delicious. It's red. Notes of... Should we just get Sarah to explain it?
Thanks, Ivy. Every glass of Pinot Noir tells a story, and this one here begins in Central Otago. Central Otago is a place of extremes. Bitter winters, you've got hot summers, you've got cold nights. This is where Alan Peters-Oswald has devoted his life, to tell the story of place. That's why we're here.
Hello. The key for me is just picking at the right time. It's the biggest decision I can make. If I get it wrong, I can't go back and stick them back on the line and have another crack. So it's critical just to nail it exactly when the fruit is at its peak. And the only way for me to determine that is by tasting.
Alia's Wine Room is about curiosity. It's about being willing to experiment. That's why this collaboration excites me. It's about pushing boundaries whilst remaining true to the people and the place. Pinot Noir is demanding. Thin-skinned, temperamental, and fragile. One mistake and you lose it. But here in Central Otago, those wild swings of blazing days, freezing nights, give it the balance, the brightness, and the complexity. This wine is about curiosity, about asking, what if? And authenticity, staying true to people and place. Ding, 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 we found a winner.
Ding, ding, ding.
We have a winner. That's the one.
Amazing stuff. Didn't we do well? It's going to be the best Pinot ever.